Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change Fresha password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom of the screen, we have the calendar, we have the sales, we have the plus button where you can add appointment, group appointment, block time, sale, and quick payment. We have the client list, and in the bottom right corner, we have your workspace. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Fresha password. So to do so, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So go to the top right corner and click on your profile. Then when you're there, as you can see, we have the four first options. You need to click on the third option, which is the settings. Then scroll down, and here, as you can see, you have your security. So password, your password is managed by social logins. You can go and create a new password. And there, when you click on it, of course, you just need to go and confirm the new password, and that's that. You will have your new Fresha password updated. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.